So I have a new Keurig to share today. I had one that decided to take a crap, so I needed a new one for my travel trailer. So I decided to order the Keurig Supreme and give this a try. And so far, I really like it. Now, one thing I do like about this one is that it does have a decent sized reservoir that also has a handle and it's easy to remove. I want to say this is like 64 ounces. I'll have to put it up on the screen. I don't remember. I didn't memorize that. It also does come with a water filter. So if you are using tap water or whatever, you do have a filter in there to help out. Now up here at the top, we do have different options. Now I wanted the Keurig that will do the 12 ounces, which is one of the reasons why I chose this model. A lot of them only do up to 10 ounces, and I prefer the 12. Now another one about this one is that you got over ice, and you do have strong. So this will make your coffee a little bit stronger, or you can brew it directly over ice if you like. Now when you lift the lid, it's going to automatically turn on. Another thing that I really like about this is that it has multi-punctures. So this does multiple streams of water. That way you extract more flavor, you get more out of it, so it's pretty cool. I don't have the best lighting in here right now. So here you go. You'll see all the little puncture marks here. And if I show you the coffee pod, you'll see where it punctures 5 different places. So you're getting a lot more water, a lot more pressure and everything in there. Now, like I mentioned, when you open it up and you close it, it's going to automatically turn on. Everything's going to start flashing for you. I'll go ahead and brew a cup. So after we lower that, we could choose, I want the 12 ounces. And if you prefer, you could also go strong. Then hit that K in the center. Now it's going to start brewing for you. And this one brews pretty quickly. Also, this one uses a little over 1,000 watts. I don't remember the exact amount, but it did fire up the generator just now. And now we have a pretty good cup of coffee. I really like this Keurig. I like that it has the multiple streams. I think it does make a difference. It also brews a little bit faster than the other Keurig that I had, which I also really like. The other one took a lot longer to heat up. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I think the flavor is pretty good. I think it works great. I like that it's a little bit slimmer, so it does fit even on my tiny little space right here. And that was another reason why I chose this one over one of the larger ones, because it would actually fit. But if you're looking for a new Keurig that works really well, this is a newer style compared to the older ones. You do get more of a bolder coffee, I think, with this one, in my opinion. Anyway, this is the Keurig Supreme, and I think it works awesome.